Welcome to Health Solutions. Please like, share, and subscribe.
How to use Ajwain for weight loss. Ajwain or carom seeds are an indispensable spice in the Indian kitchen. It is used in many dishes for its exotic flavor and delectable aroma. Apart from its culinary uses, carom seeds can also resolve health issues like constipation, acidity, asthma, migraine, menstrual cramps and diabetes. If you are looking for healthy ways to lose weight, then Ajwain seeds can be an effective weight loss tool. Check out these 4 effective ways carom seeds can aid in weight loss. 1. Ajwain and honey water. You need 1 tablespoon honey, 2 tablespoons Ajwain, 1 glass warm water. Preparation: fill a bowl with a glass of warm water and soak Ajwain seeds in it for overnight. Strain the water next morning in a glass and add honey to it. Stir the mixture well. Drink it on empty stomach. Follow the remedy daily for effective results. 2. Spiced Ajwain water. You need 4 tablespoons Ajwain, 4 tablespoons dalchini, cinnamon seeds, 4 tablespoons saunf, fennel seeds, 4 tablespoons kalanji, nigella sativa. Preparation: prepare a powdered mixture by grinding all the above ingredients in a grinder. Store the mixture in an airtight container. Take 1 tablespoon from the powdered mixture and dissolve it in a glass of warm water. Drink the mixture twice a day for effective and quick weight loss. 3. Boiled Ajwain water. You need 1 liter water, 2 tablespoons Ajwain seeds. Preparation: to 1 liter boiled water add 2 tablespoons of Ajwain seeds. Boil the water till the Ajwain seeds leave all its flavor and color in it. Strain the water and allow it to cool. Drink the water daily. Quick weight loss. 4. Raw Ajwain seeds. Another effective method for reducing extra kilos with Ajwain seeds is to consume it in a raw form. This will not only work in reducing your weight but will also improve your digestive system. You need half a tablespoon Ajwain seeds, 1 glass warm water. Preparation: chew half a tablespoon of Ajwain seeds with a glass of warm water just 1 hour before your meal.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click on like button. Please share this important video with your friends and family. If you have any question, please leaving a comment in the comment section below. We will try to answer with you as soon as possible. Please subscribe to our channel and share this channel on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp and Google+. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.